15 interesting facts about cesium. Cesium is the first element discovered via emission spectroscopy, discovered by Robert Bunsen and Gustav Kirchhoff in 1860. This new element was named cesium after the two prominent blue lines of its emission spectrum, from Latin cesius, meaning heavenly blue. In 1881, Carl Sefferberg isolated cesium metal by electrolysis of its salts. Cesium found no significant application until it was used in radio vacuum tubes in the 1920s. The 1950s began to see the use of cesium in electronics. In May 2018, the U.S. Department of the Interior, in coordination with other executive branch agencies, published a list of 35 critical minerals A3F or 23 to 95, including cesium. This list was developed to serve as an initial focus, pursuant to Executive Order 13,817, a federal strategy to ensure secure and reliable supplies of critical minerals 80 to F or 60,835. Cesium is very soft and is one of four metals that are liquid at or near room temperature. The other metals liquid at room temperature are mercury, gallium, and francium. Cesium is the most electropositive of the five naturally occurring alkali metals. Cesium is the most reactive of the alkali metals. The metal ignites spontaneously in the presence of air and reacts explosively in water. Cesium is the least abundant of the five naturally occurring alkali metals. Cesium averages approximately 3 parts per million in the Earth's crust, is 45th in order of abundance of all elements, and is 36th in order of abundance of all metals. Cesium averages approximately 8 parts per billion by weight in our solar system. Cesium be mined in only a few places in the world's largest deposit of pollucite. The principal ore of cesium is at Bernick Lake, Canada, and accounts for more than 2/3 of world reserves. Commercially, most cesium is produced as a byproduct of the production of lithium metal. Only one stable isotope of cesium occurs naturally, and that is cesium-133. The U.S. military frequency standard, the United States Naval Observatory time scale, is based on 48 weighted atomic clocks, including 25 cesium fountain clocks. Cesium finds important application in petroleum cracking, high-pressure well drilling for oil and gas production and exploration, high-temperature solders, X-ray phosphors, energy conversion devices such as fuel cells and polymer solar cells, infrared detectors, optics, scintillation counters, spectrophotometers and radioscopes, isopycnic centrifugation, insect repellent in agricultural applications, and as a coolant and oxidizer in the pyrotechnic industry. Cesium-137 is widely used in industrial gauges, in mining and geophysical instruments, and for sterilizing food, sewage, and surgical equipment.